From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents to ignoring traffic signs or chaotic collisions due to out-of-control trucks, are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. This family is probably the luckiest in today's video as they escaped and avoided the car that lost control on the road. The road, the Toyota didn't just run over the power line, it gave us a show with a flip. The car crashed into the police office, and the driver raised his hands as if it was no big deal. A super tall truck drove into a tunnel in Sydney, turning itself into a traffic disaster. The tunnel got damaged, and even the lights and pipes got a thorough inspection. This shows the driver of the car was drunk and drove his bulky car around, causing trouble. He was arrested shortly afterwards.
Oh my god.
The sit-down waving must have superpowers, not only saving the driver, but dodging two speeding cars like a pro felt like an action movie.
О, блядь. Ебать, там, ёбаный мать.
Удалось вам пересечься на площадке, сыграть в кадре с нашими...
This semi-truck was driving down the highway when it lost control and began to swerve all over the road. It spun completely around and detached from the freight, leaving pieces all over the lanes. The dump truck forgot to lower its trailer, crashed into a ramp support, and the trailer fell off like a coconut. Luckily, no one was hurt, but traffic was immediately backed up. Drove her car and stopped in the middle of the highway, had her license revoked, and was administratively punished after causing a series of accidents. A reckless driver intentionally crashed into a gas station and caused a fire twice. He was arrested shortly after for his crazy behavior. The elderly lady in the SUV versus hits the gas and forgets to put it in park. Luckily, the car in front stopped it, or who knows where it would have gone.
Oh shit.
A total of booths turned into chaos when a truck suddenly rushed in and crashed into the station. The man was sober and luckily escaped this chaos. No one was injured in the incident.
खांसी से क्या
The driver's carelessness left him behind when the car wasn't in park. The handbrake wasn't engaged, and the wheels weren't properly chalked. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.